Okay, but don't drop this one. You gotta let mommy hold that for you.
Let me see, bud. Come here.
You don't like it burnt, right?
Yeah, I do. Come here, bud. Come here, let mommy help. Whoopsies. Uh-oh. It's okay. It's okay. Look, chocolate. Oh my goodness. You just take a bite. Come here. Want a bite? Is that yummy?
Is that good or weird? I don't know if he likes it. Mikey likes it.
You stay over here, bud.
No?
Here, just come have some chocolate. You can have some chocolate. Come here. You want this? Here, I want this. Yeah, just have some chocolate. There you go. Good boy. Mmm.